Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my boys' bathroom. This is usually one of their chores during the week, but every now and again I like to go through and do a cleaning myself. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, please keep watching. I don't know about you, but I like to clean listening to music. So first things first is finding some good music to listen to. So one thing I do to make cleaning easier on myself is keep cleaning supplies in each of my bathrooms and the bottom cabinets. That way I can easily grab whatever it is I need. And here I'm just using plain water to clean the mirrors along with a Norwex rag. So as you can see, plain water does the trick. I don't need any of the other cleaners for the mirrors. So one money-saving hack I have is that I reuse these foaming soap dispensers and refill them with any kind of dish soap and water, and this saves money. I don't add very much here, but you can add as little or as much as you want. And as you'll see in a minute, it foams up just great. The cleaning product I'm using today on the countertops is also from Norwex. It's called Blue Diamond, and you literally only need a little cap size full in the squirt bottle and fill the rest with water. I use a ton of different cleaning products, but this I've had for well over a few years now, and it works really good. It doesn't have a lot of smell or anything to it, so I've enjoyed it. I use it on the showers as well. The cloth I'm using here to clean the counters is just the reusable wipes that you get from the Dollar Tree. You get a pack of several of them for just $1, and you can use them over and over and then just throw them in the wash, so they're really environmentally friendly. And now moving on to the boys' tub and shower. As you can see here, it's got some grime there. And again, I just used that Blue Diamond spray from Norwex, and it cleans it really good. clean the toilet, but I spared you guys those details since it is my boys' bathroom. It gets really gross. And lastly, I'm going to mop. I am using this Mop and Glow that I've had forever, and the little squeegee pad that I got from Big Lots. It was not wet enough, so I did spray it down with a little bit more water. And here's the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye.